So guys, we are discussing more important some derived units. These are the very important units and the most of the conducted tests like the competitive exams of the Pakistan Air Force Atomic Energy Navy and the other ppsc, nts, uts and kpsc, fpsc conducted test contains these basic and derived units. These are a very important derived units. We will discuss about the name and the symbol of the derived units. The first is the area. The name of the unit is square meter and the symbol is m square. The second is volume. The name of the unit is cubic meter and the symbol is m cube. The next is frequency. The name of the unit is hertz and the symbol is hz. And the next is mass density. The name of the unit is kilogram per cubic meter. The symbol is kg per meter cube. The next is speed velocity. The name of the unit is meter per second and the symbol is meter per second. The next is angular velocity. The name of the unit is radian per second and the symbol is radian per second. The next is acceleration. The name of the unit is meter per second per second. The symbol is m per s square. And the next is angular acceleration. The name of the unit is radian per second, radian per second square. The next is pressure. The name of the unit is Pascal and the symbol is Pa. And the most of the times the Pascal is equal to Newton per meter square. And the other is force. The name of the unit is Newton and the symbol is capital N. And sometimes N which is equal to kilogram meter per second square. And the next is work energy quantity of heat. Work energy quantity of heat. The name of the unit is joule and the symbol is capital J. Sometimes J which is equal to Newton meter. And the next is power. The name of the unit is watt and the symbol is capital W and the capital W which is mostly equal to joule per second. And the next is quantity of the electric charge. The name of the unit is coulomb and the symbol is capital C, sometimes coulomb which is equal to ampere multiplied by second. And the next is potential difference electromotive force. The name of the unit is volt and the symbol of the volt is capital V and the sometimes V which is equal to work over area. And the next is electric field strength. The name of the unit is volt per meter or Newton per coulomb. Symbol is V over M and the sometimes V over M which is equal to Newton per coulomb N over C. The next is electric resistance. The name of the unit is ohm and the symbol is ohm, sometimes which is equal to volt per ampere. And the next is capacitance. The name of the unit is farad and the symbol is capital F, sometimes farad which is equal to area multiplied by second and divided by volume. And the next is magnetic flux. The name of the unit is Weber and sometimes the symbol is used is WB and sometimes the WB which is equal to volume multiplied by seconds. And the next is inductance. The name of the unit is Henry and the Henry which is equal to H. The mostly symbol used is H and sometimes the H which is equal to volume multiplied by second per ampere. And the next is magnetic flux intensity. The name of the unit is Tesla and the Tesla is represented by the capital T which is equal to Weber per meter square. The next is magnetic field strength. The name of the unit is ampere per meter. The next is entropy. Entropy, the name of the unit of entropy joule per Kelvin. Specific heat joule per kilogram Kelvin. Thermal conductivity watt per meter Kelvin. Radiant intensity watt per steradian.